Hey, John here, Close Enough Garage. Well, trying to work on the clutch. Clutch is in, I'm talking about the assembly. Took it apart, I don't know, 2 years ago? I'm not real good at documenting stuff, taking pictures. But anywho, here we are. We're going to start assembling the clutch assembly. Let me bring you in for a closer look. There's the pieces. What was painted, I painted. What wasn't painted, I just cleaned up and put some clear on there. All original pieces, as far as I know. It's going to be trial by error. Seems all pretty forward. It's very, very simple engineered. Adjustments, one of the most things I worry about. But stand by, and this bracket here will be the first one that goes on. This actually goes on like that, and these bolt holes here go through the flywheel cover. So, and from there, I'm a little lost, but yeah, we'll figure it out. Hey, John, welcome back. Close Enough Garage. So, clutch is working. I know, it's hard to believe, I know. Let's go in for a look on that. So there it is. All the pieces that was on the bench are now on the car, and there it is. It's working. So I got a replacement pressure plate and clutch and stuff from Andy Burbaum's. That was it bolted up, everything was fine, but the fingers that the throwout bearing ride on are about, if I can remember right, an eighth of an inch shorter than the originals. So what happened, there's a little bit of lag there at the end, so you had to on the return spring for the clutch fork, you have to put a little stouter spring on there. The one I used was from a Ford Raptor idler pulley spring, and it works well, as you can see. That's all working. The drive shaft's in. Topped off all the fluids in the rear end and in the transmission. And then, how much fluid is supposed to leak out of the bottom of the rear end? So, yeah, one step forward, two backwards, the whole project, doing great. And that's where we're at right now. Thanks for watching. Thank you for subscribing. 100, that's the goal. We want to get to 100 by the end of the year. See if we can make that happen. So we're gonna tear the rear end apart, find out what's going on in there. That's a pinion seal. I put one in, I think it was one of the first things I'd done before I had Project Creep. Right, we're gonna bring the car home, get the motor unstuck, drive it, have fun, go to the Dairy Queen, work on it a little bit there, and well, that didn't happen. So thanks for watching. Thanks for hanging out with me. Thanks for subscribing. Tell your friends. Show your mom. Let's 100 is the goal. 100 subscribers by the end of the year. Help me get there. It's free. All right. It's Labor Day weekend. Enjoy it. but not too much. And yeah, let's get back together here, and I'll show you the rear end when we get to that part.